Another Dr. Snow Brain Health story. Today, let's learn about the memory center of your brain, the hippocampus. The hippocampus is a complex brain structure embedded deep into the temporal lobe. It has a major role in learning and memory, and is particularly involved in the formation of new memories and is also associated with learning and emotions. It is a part of the limbic system, a collection of structures involved in emotion, long-term memory, and behavior. In terms of its physical structure, the hippocampus is named after the Greek word for seahorse, as its shape bears a resemblance to the creature. There are two hippocampi, one in each side of the brain. They are located in the medial temporal lobe, near the center of the brain. The hippocampus consists of several subregions, each with distinct neuron types and connectivity, including the dentate gyrus, CA1, CA2, CA3, and the subiculum. The hippocampus has several functions. Memory formation. The hippocampus is crucial for the consolidation of information from short-term memory to long-term memory. It does not store memories itself, but rather, it is believed to help organize memories, storing them in various parts of the brain. Spatial memory and navigation. The hippocampus is involved in spatial memory and navigation. It contains place cells, which fire when an individual is in a specific location. It helps in the cognitive map formation, a type of mental representation which allows an individual to acquire, code, store, recall, and decode information about the relative locations and attributes of phenomena in their everyday spatial environment. Emotional responses. As a part of the limbic system, the hippocampus also plays a role in the control of emotional responses. Damage to the hippocampus can cause problems with memory and orientation. For example, in Alzheimer's disease, the hippocampus is one of the first regions of the brain to suffer damage, leading to the memory loss and disorientation associated with the disease. The hippocampus also exhibits neuroplasticity, the ability of the brain to change structurally and functionally. It is one of the few areas in the brain where new neurons can be generated, a process known as neurogenesis. This has implications for learning and memory processes. Whilst the primary role of the hippocampus involves memory formation and spatial cognition, it also plays a significant role in several other important processes. Stress response regulation. The hippocampus helps regulate the body's stress response, largely due to its strong connection with the hypothalamus, which is a major part of the body's hormonal, endocrine, system. The hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis, HPA axis, is the central stress response system, and the hippocampus plays a role in turning off the stress response after a stressor is no longer present. Chronic stress can lead to alterations in the size and function of the hippocampus. Contextualization of memories. Not only does the hippocampus help in the formation and organization of memories, but it also contributes to providing context for those memories. This includes linking memories to certain sensory experiences such as smells or sounds, or tying them to particular emotions. This is why certain smells or sounds can trigger vivid memories. Role in cognitive functions and creativity. Besides memory and spatial navigation, the hippocampus is involved in broader cognitive functions, including imagination, future thinking, prospection, and creativity. Some research has indicated that the hippocampus may play a role in divergent thinking, which is a type of thinking that generates creative ideas by exploring many possible solutions. Fear conditioning and emotional learning. The hippocampus works closely with another part of the limbic system, the amygdala, in fear conditioning, learning to fear a stimulus that predicts something scary or negative. This is a type of emotional learning that is critical for survival. Decision-making. There's some evidence suggesting that the hippocampus plays a role in decision-making processes, particular decisions that involve memories or spatial information. Keep in mind that our understanding of the hippocampus specifically, and brain as a whole, is constantly evolving. So there is still much to learn about all of the functions of the hippocampus and how it interacts with other parts of the brain. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the Dr. Snow Brain Health channel at DrSnowBrainHealth. Each week, world-renowned neuroscientist, Dr. Alan Snow, will teach us new insights into the amazing brain.